cuffs. On the night that he was born, moon turned rust. He come out screaming, spit blood. Bad times was coming, sure enough. Billy's daddy, the bullheaded mule, and his mama, she fed him cactus stew. Billy, well, he never went to school. He's learned to shoot a gun and act a fool. Now he's hanging from a tree in Abilene, swinging in that West Texas breeze. He wasn't never good for nothing. Wasn't worth a damn. He's hanging from a tree in Abilene.
Are we locked out now? Are we locked out now?
Then he grew up hard and he grew up mean. Killed 8 men before he was 17. Had a gold tooth and half a cut off ear. Scar across his face and a scraggly beard. Billy found his way out west, looking for to do the things that he'd done the best. Stealing, killing was his claim to fame. A mangy dog in him was
Hi, Murphy.
just the same. And now he's hanging from a tree in Abilene, swinging in that West Texas breeze. He wasn't never good for nothing. Wasn't worth a damn. He's hanging from a tree in Abilene. They robbed a bank down in Centerville. Blew the bank teller's head clean off. Well, he thought he got away. Thought he had it made. But the sheriff tracked him down and he brought him in. They took Billy up in front of the judge. Judge said, "Son, you're gonna pay. Come first daylight, you're gonna die." Billy just spit on the floor, didn't blink an eye. Now he's hanging from a tree in Abilene, swinging in that West Texas breeze. He wasn't ever good for nothing. Wasn't worth a damn. Hanging from a tree in Abilene.